This healthy Mediterranean falafel bowl is packed with produce and a fun way to serve falafel. Here, I have chickpeas that I've soaked overnight. Place the chickpeas and the onions in the bowl of a food processor. Add the parsley, cilantro, salt, crushed hot pepper, garlic, and cumin. Sprinkle in the baking powder. Process until blended but not pureed. It should look mealy. The dough should form a small bowl when pressed and no longer sticks to your hands. Refrigerate covered for at least an hour or overnight. After the dough is chilled, remove it from the refrigerator. Form the chickpea mixture into balls about the size of walnuts. Using water to wet your hands so that the balls don't stick, roll the balls in your hands. Heat 3 inches of mild green, fruity extra virgin olive oil to 375 degrees in a deep pot and fry the falafel balls until golden brown. Drain on paper towels. Now we'll put our salad together. Arrange romaine lettuce, tossed orzo salad, Kalamata olives, pistachios, pomegranate arils, cucumber, tomatoes, falafel balls, and pita in the bowl. Drizzle with tahini sauce and garnish with parsley and sesame seeds. This Mediterranean falafel bowl is a very hearty and filling entree salad that's packed with protein and vegetables.